Number 6. A sample of argon occupies a volume of 950 milliliters at 25 degrees Celsius. What volume will the gas occupy at 50 degrees Celsius if the pressure remains constant? So we're not going to deal with pressure right now. We're only going to deal with volume and temperature. That's Charles' law. V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Now the question is asking me what volume will the gas occupy after this change. So I'm going to rearrange this equation to solve for V2. That's going to be V1 times T2 divided by T1. Well, V1 is this 950 milliliters right here. T2, the final temperature, is this 50 degrees Celsius. But remember, I can't just throw a degree Celsius in this spot. It has to be in the absolute temperature. It has to be in kelvins. And so I convert that to 323 kelvins first. Right? And then divide by the initial temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius. And 25 degrees Celsius is the same thing as 298 Kelvin. Go ahead and calculate that. Calculator tells me 1,029.698 milliliters. But I have 3 significant figures to use. And so I'm going to round to this spot right here. The 9 right behind the 2 tells me to round it up. So I'll have either... you can record this in terms of milliliters or like I did liters. You can record 1,030 with no decimal, right? 1,030, no decimal, milliliters. Or you can turn that into liters, which would require you just to move that decimal 3 spots. So 1.03 liters. Either way is correct.